Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to show you how I braid my hair under the wig. So it's just a simple cornrow that I always have under my wig. People have been asking me what kind of protective style do I have under my wig, so I just want to show you how I do that. And yeah, so my hair is freshly washed and dry, so I usually like to wear my hair like cornrows all back. So I could do sometime from like this area all back, I could just do straight all back, I could do like slant all back. So I don't know, let's just see. I'm sorry I can't find my parting comb. I know I've searched everywhere and this video must be filmed today. So when you have kids that have interest in hair, so I know my kids play a lot with my comb, so I don't know where they have kept my combs. I have like 3 of them, but as of now I can't find anyone, so I just came up with this. So yeah, I'm going to separate my hair from the front like this to the back. Your line must not be perfect, so don't just worry about it if it's not so straight, because sometimes when you worry about perfection you will never be able to accomplish anything. So just do like this. I like to put this part here aside and start braiding this side here. So I'm going to, let me see, so I'm going to start from from this side, and I'm going to make a straight line to the back like so. And if you're watching me for the first time and you're wondering, my hair is natural hair. I'm not doing natural hair journey, so I'm not actually calculating how many years I've been natural, because I haven't been serious in, you know, recording that or keeping my hair, you know, growing fast for record. So I don't know, but nevertheless I've been like natural for more than 3 years. So now I secure this part apart like this, and I don't even know if I got this straight, I don't know, but let's just do this. So I'm going to start rolling from the very beginning, and these fingers are the most important fingers that you need to, you know, do this. These two, you take it this way like so, you use this one and pick it to the side, then you use this one again and go through here, then you release this one and pick again. You just continue to do that. Then, you know, the relevance of the other parts of the fingers to keep it like firm, then hold it down like firm, and this pick and this collects, this give, this take away, this give again and collect and take and give. So it's just a game of take and give and collect. So like as you can see, I'm beginning to go like this. Do you see that? Do you see that? Just begin to go like so. If you are like me that get bored easily, you can just do this while you're watching your favorite TV program like that. You won't even know when you finish. And like as I'm doing this now, I don't have an extra mirror. I'm using the camera mirror lens. No, it's not lens. I'm using the camera monitor. Is that monitor I call this? So that's what I'm looking at. I don't have an extra mirror here. So I continue until, I don't know if you can see, I continue like this until I get to the end, and I just finish the braid like this. You see? So you can see what I made now. So I'll go ahead and show you another one. I'm not going to play this video on speed because I want you to actually see what I'm doing, you know. And when you have your hair neatly cornrow under the wig, it makes your wig to have it fits and look beautiful. Because if you have like chunky braids under the wig becomes lumpy. And I know sometimes I don't have time to actually cornrow my hair under the wig, and I just throw my wig on it. Like on some days when I have to drop the kids in school in the morning, I just wear my wig on it like that. What I do is just put like a cap on it, but you know, but it's actually good to do it the right way so that your wig can just look like, you know, nice, flat. The part to just be flat. But in the case where your hair is big like so and you wear a wig, everything will become like lumpy, big like this, and everybody be wondering, is she wearing like 3 wigs? Like when you wear 3 wigs, you know how big it can look. So let's get back to what we are saying. So this is what I have, the second section. So now let me come closer. Let me drag this closer a little. So now this is the beginning, like so. You get this finger here, just put it in like this. Get the second one here, grab it and keep it with this one. Then get this other one, take again, then you release this one, then use this one again and take this. Like they're like crossed like this now, like you have 3. Do you see how? Like 3. Then take this back, get this one in here, take this one, continue like that, like so. You can do it slowly until you get it. Don't watch one video and say you just know how to braid. You have to watch as many videos as possible. There are lots of videos on YouTube showing this method and even other kinds of method, and you'll be surprised that after watching and practicing, you'll be able to know how to braid your own hair. So I'm going to continue going. Do you see how I did that? So I'm going to go ahead and just continue braiding. In my mind, I'm going on a straight line and hoping that everything is fine. So yeah, this is what I do. Just continue going and going and going into the back. Continue going like so. It's really soothing, you know, to do your own hair. Actually, I feel really relaxed doing my own hair. It's been a very long time someone touched my hair. I think the last time someone actually touched my hair, if I'm not mistaken, is like 3 years ago. 3 years ago, I went to Nigeria and I decided to make cornrow, and someone did that for me. But because I don't know how to actually work with natural hair in that salon I went to, the hair didn't last me. It just lasted a few days and everything was just like pulling away. But yeah, I understand they don't really know how to do. Not a lot of people, hairstylists, know how to work with natural hair. And but you know, when you try to even tell them, they're like, oh, I know what you mean, but they don't know jack. So yeah, I think 3 years ago, that's when someone touched my hair. I always done my hair myself. So on the second, I don't even know what the back looks like because I honestly have not looked at the mirror, but I hope it's not horrible. I hope it's manageable. The essence of this video is just for you to know how to braid your own hair. So it doesn't really mean that the pattern must be straight first. So if you are learning and you're just thinking of, oh, the pattern has to be straight, you have to make your pattern straight, you might never get to the point. So I'm going to show you one last one, then we end this video, and I'll show you how I did the remaining part of camera. And so one more thing I forgot to mention before is when you're parting your hair to the back, like making some cornrow down straight to the back, because the front of our hair, the wideness is bigger than the back, like this compared to this. Here is bigger. So when you are separating your hair, like you have this amount in the front, as you're going to the back towards this area, you should begin to slim it down a little so that everything can fit. Do you know what I mean? Like you just cut this hair, separate this hair like this. When you get to this area, you begin to slant it and make it slimmer. Like you can see, this is the beginning here, and you can see the end, how tiny, how small it is. I hope I'm focused. Like you see, so you can see how small this part is. Like that, every braid you make from the front to the back will have the same. What's wrong with my lighting? Is so, I'm kind of looking very orange. So you know, when you do that, it will be like equal and the same. So let's begin again, because my memory is getting full and the video will stop any moment. So let me quickly do this. So just do repeat. I think I'll do like a very slow motion for the last one and repeat it for you to see. So this is it. Try and do your own hair with confidence, and before you know, you'll be an expert. And make sure you thank me later. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I'm going to insert the finished look soon, and stay blessed, and make sure you're subscribed to me, and have a good day. Bye.